Welcome to our sweet home life. Look what I am holding. Remember when I bought that purple pepper plant, how excited I was? Well, I got my first purple bell pepper today, so I'm so excited to cut it and eat it. So let's see if it's sweet like I think it's gonna be. Get my knife over here. I love bell pepper. I didn't let it get very big because there was 3 others that had came first and the birds ate them. So I did not want to give the birds a chance to eat this one. So let's taste it. It's good. Maybe not quite as sweet as the red ones, but it's very sweet. Very good. I just wanted to check in with you. Thank you for watching Our Sweet Home Life. And here's some tomatoes and some bell peppers that Mojo harvested today too. So our garden is finally bringing us in some ripe tomatoes. Up to this point they've been green, but they're finally starting to ripen, and some wonderful bell pepper. So thank you for watching Our Sweet Home Life. Bye.